Welcome to this quick guide on enabling video messages for your Telegram group on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to share moving moments with your group in a new, faster way, this feature makes it simple and intuitive. Let's walk through the steps together so you can start sending video messages right away. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has access to the group you want to use. Navigate to your group from the chat list so you're in the main group view. On the top of the screen, you'll see a row of icons and the group name. Look for the three horizontal lines at the top of the page and click them to open the group options. From the menu that appears, select Manage Group. This opens a new section with several controls for how the group operates. Inside Manage Group, find and click on Permissions. This is where you control what members can do within the group, including media sending settings. You are going to adjust the media permissions to allow video messages. In the Permissions panel, you'll see various toggles related to sending media. Look for the option labeled Video Messages or something similar. Enable or toggle this permission so that members can record and send video messages in the chat. Once you've turned on video messages, don't forget to save your changes by clicking Save or Apply, depending on what your interface shows. That's all there is to it. With video messages enabled, group members can press and hold the microphone or video button to record a short clip and share it directly with the group. It's a great way to capture live moments, quick updates, or fun reactions without leaving the chat experience. If you're managing a large group, consider setting clear guidelines for video links and content to keep the chat engaging and respectful. You might also remind members to review their recordings for privacy and consent, especially when sharing footage that includes others.